Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, if you're new here, and if you're not new here, welcome back to another video. As you can see for the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a few days in my life. Today is Tuesday. We're starting off the vlog today because today we're doing something very excited. We're getting my computer, and I'm going to tell y'all the story behind that real quick, only because I really have to hurry up. I'm eating breakfast and getting ready at the same time. But as you can see for the title, we're doing a few days in my life. I did post a poll on Instagram to see which one you guys wanted most, a few days in my life or a productive day in my life, and as you can see, we're here doing this one because this is what you guys wanted. Anyway, we're spring break, so a lot of things are happening. Today I'm going to get my computer, and the small story behind that is I need to get a new computer to edit my videos on my new camera. I know, right? I know, right? I know, you don't gotta tell me. I am so excited because my content is gonna be so much better. The quality, there's gonna be so many videos coming out because I couldn't make a lot of videos on my phone. I didn't have the space that I need, but now with a camera, y'all can get a lot of more content, better content. Ooh, I'm so excited. Anyway, we're gonna talk about this later when it actually happens. Hopefully it happens today. But I'm going to get ready and eat. I'm not going to talk while I get ready, only because I need to hurry up, you know. Before we get into this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below something sweet, something nice, period. And of course, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my journey, and turn those post notifications on so you are assured when I post. Do that because it helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm or something. So like this video and comment. And yeah, let's get started. Let's get ready because I really need to get ready. So I have to do my eyelashes, and I'll be right back because I'm gonna do this on camera so I can do it fast and I won't look down. Okay, bye. You guys, so it's get you talk. Anyway guys, I am done with my makeup. I didn't really do much. Well, I did everything, but I did it fast. Anyway, I'm done, so I'm gonna finish my breakfast and then I'll talk to you guys before we leave because we're leaving right now, but I need to finish my breakfast. So bye. Okay, say hi. Say hello, people. Hello, people. What's your name? What's your name? Alright guys, so we're outside and we're on our way to the train station so we can go to the Apple store and go get my computer. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're at the train station, my mom and my little brother. Now we're waiting for the train. Mami, ¿cuánto dice que el tren? ¿Cuánto viene el tren? The train comes in 5 minutes, so. Hey. Ow. You and me. My Crocs are freaking cute. So now we're walking to the Apple store because we kind of went down a stop. I don't know how. I think my phone just glitched. And then I made us lose us. So now we're walking there. ¿Qué tiene esta? How pretty these are. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we made an appointment. I guess that's what you were supposed to make. And she said that it was around 15, 20, 30 minutes a wait. So we're just walking around at this point because we don't want to just stand on the line waiting. But I should have called and made the appointment before getting here. But I forgot. And I don't know, I was too excited and we were in a rush. So now we're just walking around. What? It's my outfit. And we got it! I'm so excited! Look at my mom looking at me like I have issues. Anyway. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got a computer. And we also got the USB thingy because the computer doesn't have it, which I think is kind of stupid. Anyway, I am so freaking excited. Like, you might not see it right now because I don't want to look stupid out in the street. But I'm probably going to dance by myself later, you know, scream or something. But yes, period. This is the first step to getting my videos to look great. Anyway, now we're going to BJ's. Now we're going to BJ's and we're gonna go food shopping. So we just finished eating McDonald's. And now we're walking to BJ's. I look crazy and the wind is hella strong. Yeah, I can't hear right now because you only hear it when the building's not covering the wind from coming. So we're at Best Buy now and we're just shopping around, I guess. So somebody found my brother's phone and it was one of the workers and my mom was like, oh, that's our phone. And she was like, no, like, how do I know it's your phone? She was like, I'll open the phone right now. And she didn't want to give it to her. And I was just like, what the heck? Nico just poked this shit at me. That shit is hella red. I was just crying. He poked this shit at me with the toy he has in his hand. If he would have hit me a little bit more this way, he would have poked my eye out. Y'all, it's been I don't know how long, but I'm tired and my feet hurt, but they don't hurt that bad because I'm wearing my Crocs, but they still hurt. We're looking at the last part of BJ's and then we're gonna get online, which is hella long. Like the line is long, but look at our cart. We're literally packed to the rim, and then baby Nico fell asleep. Y'all, we're finally leaving. Oh my god, we were in line for a little bit because the line was hella long, but we're going home now, so I'll see you guys when I get home. Bye. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour since I got home. We were struggling to get all the BJ stuff upstairs because everything was so heavy, and that was just a whole thing in and of itself. But we're here. It's been like an hour. I took a little break because I was tired, but we're back to it. I'm about to make a video on my unboxing my laptop, so if you are interested in that, I'm pretty sure that I don't even know which video is gonna go up first, but whichever video go up first, check that video out. And yeah, I just retouched my makeup and I'm about to get into filming this video. But before I get into it, I want to tell y'all a quick little story time. And Brenda, this goes for you too. So we were at the train station. We were going to BJ's after we bought the laptop, and we were getting off the train, and Nico's stroller, the two front wheels got stuck in between the rail of the train station and the train. His coche went like this. What? And mom kept trying to pull it out.
He was inside.
And he was stuck. Like his.
Was he inside?
Yeah, he was sitting in the coche.
Oh.
His wheels were stuck between the platform and the train.
No. I coupled the stories and you stuck.
You want to tell the story?
The train, yeah.
No, I'm telling the story.
No, that's
Stay over there. Thank you. So basically, the wheels of the stroller got stuck in between the platform and the train, and it was like a little between. So like I guess my mom didn't see it, and the thing just went. So when I turn around and I see that she still is not like coming to me, like going like, oh, we're going this way, I turn around and people were trying to help her take it out, and it was stuck. Wait.
It's a train. I did it.
And I was, mom turned red.
Yeah.
Her face was red. My heart was like hella fast, and I had this in my hand and I had my phone in my hand. So when I went to go help to try to take it out with one hand, it was stuck and I couldn't pull it out. So I had to drop this and put my phone in the bag and drop it. You imagine that I'm over here helping them, you know, helping mom get Nico out, and somebody just runs up and takes it.
Yeah.
And like that wasn't my main concern, because at the time, like, I wasn't thinking. My main concern was getting him out of the thing. So I was pulling, and two other people that were there were pulling, and the train was about, like, the doors were about to close, and right there and then the thing, we pulled it back and up, and then it came out. Anyway, that was a little story time, because like at the time I just couldn't talk to the camera. Like I was so scared. Like my heart was, I just couldn't. And so I'm about to record this video, get it over with, because I was gonna do it tomorrow and get ready tomorrow and do it, but I'm already ready, and I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be able to wait to open this, so I'm gonna do it now. I will talk to you guys after, because I want to make something to eat. I'm super hungry, but I'm gonna just get this over with first, and I'll see you guys later. Hey vlog, so I just finished filming. Oh my god, I opened my computer. Here it is. Move if you don't want them to see you. This is what it looks like. Baby is on FaceTime, but he don't want to be on camera. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Showing you guys too. A little sneak peek. If you want to go see my video that I just filmed, make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, so I'm going to, I don't know, customize this to my liking, and then we're gonna go eat because I'm hungry. I might even make pizza. I don't know. Anyway, talk to you guys in a few. I don't know, every time I do this, like the pinky don't wanna, you know. Okay, bye. Okay, so I haven't ate nothing. It's been like 2 hours. I was watching videos on how to edit on the laptop because I had no idea. It just looked so confusing and I was lost. But guess what? Guess what just got here? Just guess. I'm letting them guess. I got my camera. Oh my god, you guys, I got my freaking camera. I got my freaking camera. And it is so pretty, it's so gorgeous. She is fine. Anyway, look at this beauty, y'all. Oh my god, the videos are gonna be just amazing. I know I keep saying this through this video, but like I'm speaking facts. Everything is just gonna be so beautiful. Everything is just gonna be so awesome. Like, so I gotta tell y'all that before I turned on this camera, I was screaming. I jumped on my mother. She was like, "You're going crazy. What is wrong with you? You have issues." You know, I just gotta learn how to maneuver around these two things that I've never had before. So once I do that, I'm gonna be making videos on my camera here. So this beauty, we need to name her something, y'all. We need to name her something, so let me know what we should name her. Okay, it's a her. I think it's a her because so it's a her, you know. But came with the camera, came with the little thingy majiggy, the charger, obviously the battery. I put the battery in so I could see how it looks, and then it came with a 128 GB, 32 hours. Ooh, period. I'm so excited. Like, before I got the camera and the computer, I was definitely planning on doing many videos, and I'm pretty sure that those videos will be filmed on my phone. But after I pick up, you know, how to do this, then definitely will be uploading on my new camera. All right, guys, talk to you later. I'm gonna have some fun with this camera. I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna watch some YouTube. You know. Bye. guys, so it's the next day. I woke up a little bit ago. I brushed my teeth and washed my face. I woke up with this huge pimple right here. It's annoying me so much, but I did make breakfast. I'm gonna eat it. I just made an avocado toast with an egg on top and then a regular buttered toast with apple juice. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm going to watch Hulu while I'm at it because I've been obsessed with this show recently, like I always am. But after I'm done eating, I might get ready to go outside and get my eyebrows done. You might not notice that I need my eyebrows done, but if you look closely, I do, and it's just so much easier to do my eyebrows when they're done. And then I'm gonna come back, put a mask on this hair, and then my mom's gonna do my hair. So eat this and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so it's been a very long time since I talked to you guys, since I told you guys what I was gonna do, which I did not end up doing. I did not go to get my eyebrows done like I said. I did not put the thing in my hair, the hair mask, because I was gonna put the hair mask, wash my hair, and then my mom was gonna do my hair. But then it ended up getting a little bit too late for me to wash my hair and then her doing it. So I basically just ended up chilling throughout the rest of the day. And my boyfriend just got me food, so I'm actually gonna eat, then I'm gonna do a face mask and shower, and that's gonna be the rest of my day since it kind of flopped, which is like really annoying, but I can't really do much about it. Let me show you what he got me, and I'm still watching Hulu. Been doing it all day. You know what? It's not a good habit. I definitely need to get rid of this habit that I have when I find a good show. But yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys, and then I'm gonna eat, and then yeah, I eat another rest. Some pasta, and he got me some cinnamon toast. Yes, ma'am. And I'm still watching my show. Babe talks to me. And pretty much that's it. So the lighting is horrible in here, and I still look like I look disgusting. What's that smell? Oh, that's vinegar. I'm not gonna look better throughout this video, so I'm not gonna, whatever, it doesn't matter, it's gonna ignore it. So I did make the face mask. I used the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing face mask or whatever. I'm not gonna put it like in every inch of my face because I don't think I need to. I look crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower, and I'm gonna do my full shower routine except washing my hair because it's too late. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Hey guys, so I'm heading to work now. Good morning. I thought about vlogging a little work day or whatever, I guess. So here we are, vlogging a little bit. I'm not gonna vlog the whole day, I'm just gonna vlog my work day, and then we're gonna head home and do nothing. My sister leaves today to my grandparents who are in DR, so the house is gonna be quiet and I'm just gonna chill. But I just got off the bus, and I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I got off the bus and now I'm walking to my workplace, so my hand hurts. I'll talk to you guys when I get there. guys, but actually not a lot, so I'm leaving early today. I come from such a far place to do something for just a little bit and then go back. But work is work, and I'm about to finish, and I'm watching Netflix while I'm at it. And yeah, I will talk to you guys when I head out. I was thinking of getting some Dunkin' Donuts, but I'm not sure if I really want to. I'm not that hungry. I might not, but I might. So I don't know yet. But I'll talk to you guys when I go because I'm almost done. Alright, you guys. So I finally left. I literally missed the first bus, which was like at 10 something. So I had to wait for another one that was at 11. So I just wasted an hour of my time for no reason. But it's okay. It was because I wasn't paying attention. But now I'm here waiting for the bus. I can't wait to get home. I'm not hungry. That's why I didn't get Dunkin'. But like I'm hungry. I'm hungry, but not for Dunkin'. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys when I get on the bus or when I get home. Oh my god, it's so loud. Hey guys, so I got off the train and I'm just walking home now. I'm pretty sure this is the end of the vlog, only because I'm not gonna be doing anything else for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna sit there and watch my show. Oh my god, I don't know how many times I mentioned my show in like this whole time, but I'm just gonna go upstairs and eat something first of all because I am so hungry. I wasn't hungry earlier, but now I am. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so I woke up from a nap not that long ago. I was so tired, so I took a nap. And now I'm watching Hulu again. I don't know how many times I'd have said it through this video, and I am so sorry. But I wanted to come on here and do an outro. A crappy one, but still an outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Subscribe to follow me on the journey that I am on. If you want to support me, please like and comment. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Bye. I look so weird, but I'm warm and I'm comfy, so bye.